Whether you want to step up to the C-suite, take a leadership role in a different sector, or pivot to a truly global career, you're ready for a big change. And for change this big, only 3 letters will do. MBA. So, can a full-time MBA from Hult help deliver that change? That's exactly what we designed it to do. Maybe you have specialized. Maybe you have led. Now you're ready to step up, to broaden your influence, cross functions, and lead internationally. Hult's one-year MBA is built for speed and impact. With hands-on client work and a global network at your fingertips, you will build the credibility and confidence to take your career worldwide. And with these specialist tracks, analytics, finance, marketing, entrepreneurship, strategy, you will tailor your MBA to match your goals and deepen your expertise. Our faculty bring boardroom experience from KPMG, HSBC, Unilever, Microsoft, and beyond. We have led real companies through real change, and now we are here to support yours. And you'll be doing all of this in Boston, London, or Dubai, each a global business hub with unique opportunities to learn, network, and lead in context. Because this is Hult, that doesn't end in just one city. Our global campus rotation makes you more agile, adaptable leader. You want to step up, switch tracks, or go global. That's what our recent MBA graduates have done at places like these. So if you're done waiting for the kind of change only an MBA can deliver, we have the program for you. Explore the site to find out more. Hello everyone, my name is Margareta James and I'm a professor of leadership and organizational change here at Hult. My background is in business, in psychology and neuroscience, and over the past 2 decades I worked with global companies internationally, I worked with family businesses and startups.